Hello my dear friends and welcome back to another brand new video of the Creative Mind. In this video we will see how to make a simple fire alarm at home. So without wasting our time, let's get started. For this project we will require a fluorescent starter, buzzer, any color LED, 9-volt battery and battery cap. First of all, cut the fluorescent starter and then remove the bulb from it. After that, attach regular wires to the terminals and solder them. Then solder buzzer and LED's positive and negative terminals together. Now stick buzzer and LED to the battery with the help of hot glue. Similarly, stick the bulb to the battery. Solder wires according to the circuit. After that, spread glue over the connection so that they don't touch each other. Now let's test it. When we hold bulb over the fire flame, the buzzer alarms and makes noise. To stop the alarm, we have to dip the bulb in the cold water. So this is it for this video guys. If you like this video, then hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe if you are new on this channel. If you want the circuit diagram, download it from the link provided in the description. If you want more information about this project, visit my blog. Link is provided in the description box. See you in the next video guys.